What's up, world? Steve here, and today I'm making something different. That's not pho. Kim had a weird craving before she left for work. She wanted pasta. So I'm going to make something with just ingredients we have laying around the house. Without going to the store, we're going to make a carbonara, my version. By all means, not authentic, but easy because I have everything at the house. We got whole black peppercorns, some minced garlic, eggs. That's our Chinese sausage, and this is our cheeses that we keep in the freezer. I got some pecorino and some parmesan, and that's our spaghetti noodles. We're just gonna dice up our lapchang, freshly ground, our whole black pepper, so we get these thicker, bigger chunks. And then we're going to de-yolk our eggs, 5 yolks. This is about 2 servings, 1 pack of spaghetti. And then I'm going to grate our pecorino and parmesan, about 80 to 20% pecorino to parmesan. Low to medium heat, we're going to sweat the Chinese sausage out about 30 minutes. Low heat, you don't want to burn it, but you want to sweat out all the oil, the juices, the flavor, and we're just going to transfer the crispy cubes to another container, reserving all that pork, cured pork fat, flavor, saltiness for our final preparations. So set that aside. And then we're going to boil up our spaghetti noodles. And then we're going to reserve some of that pasta water. I use high quality H2O here since we're going to use it for the dish. All right, let's get to cooking. Add your minced garlic to that beautiful rendered Chinese sausage fat. Lapsung, lapchang, whatever you want to call it. These things last forever. That's why we always have them around for like fried rice. But today, I got inspired to use it for this dish. So we're just going to fry up our minced garlic that we also batch out and put in the freezer because we use a lot of garlic here. And then we're going to add our spaghetti noodles, boiled spaghetti noodles, and just toss them in that garlic oil. Make sure it coats every strand with that flavorful cured pork greatness with garlic. Low to medium heat here, and then we're gonna add our 5 egg yolks. Turn off the heat here because you don't want to scramble the eggs, but you still want the pan kind of hot. No waste. Cut the flame, cut the heat. For the rest of the dish, we're gonna add our pasta water. This will help everything stick. And then we're gonna add our grated pecorino, parmigiano to this mixture. Don't forget about our black pepper. And then we're going to get to mixing, just incorporating all the cheese, the yolk, the garlic, the black pepper. And then we're going to add our Chinese sausage that we set aside and try to fold it in the best as you can. And then I'm going to add more black pepper because you can't go wrong with more black pepper. Oh, there you go. More black pepper as I'm folding in this dish. And we're ready to serve. Just get a nice plate here going. A nice little swirly. We're going to add some of that cubed up lapchang from the mixture, and I also reserve some on the side for extra sprinkles because who doesn't like extra sprinkles? Keep everything in the center, and then we're going to finish off with freshly grated pecorino. So a lot of the salt comes from the cheese and the Chinese sausage. If you're sensitive to salt, I would cut down the cheese and the Chinese sausage, but no need to add any more.
There you go.
And there you go. Just an easy, simple Chinese sausage carbonara. Don't yell at me. I didn't want to go to the store and Kim really enjoyed it. She liked it. She had a long day, and it hit the spot. So thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys later.